Hey there, Gina's here. Welcome back. Today, we embark on a journey unraveling the secrets of Chinese kitchens, the extraordinary Chinese cookers. The essence of Chinese cuisine is not merely in the recipes, but largely attributed to the distinctive Chinese cookers, which incredibly manage to elevate the simplest of ingredients into delicacies. The first one is the heart of a traditional Chinese kitchen, the wok. Its unique dome-shaped design promotes even heat distribution, making it perfect for a wide range of cooking styles, from stir-frying, deep-frying to steaming. The wok is indeed a multifunctional magician. The next one is clay pot, 砂锅. Its porous nature allows for slow but intense heat penetration, making it ideal for simmering soups and stewing meat. Clay pot dishes are popular for their immensely enriched flavors, showcasing the slow cooking culture of Chinese gastronomy. The next one is a relatively new cooker but very essential. It's the soul of every Chinese kitchen, the rice cooker, 电饭锅. It perfectly cooks rice every single time, allowing for easy meal preparation. It saves time and ensures fluffy rice. Other than that, it can be used to steam food, slow cook, and make porridge. It surely is a versatile kitchen appliance. Last but not least is the famous bamboo steamer, 竹蒸笼. This eco-friendly beauty promotes healthy cooking by steaming food, retaining all the essential nutrients and charm of the dishes. You can always find them in Chinese restaurants when you're having dim sum, such as dumplings and buns. Each of these cookers tells a unique tale of Chinese culinary arts, tradition, innovation, and shared enjoyment. They not only cook food but also shape culture, create stories, and build a legacy. Stay with me as we explore more of Chinese culture, and I will see you next time. Bye!